Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Well, Winston, we're already midweek, and this week is flying by, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, really going quick.
Tomorrow we have ULI, right? ULI conference during the day?
Yeah, that should be quite a good one on innovations in neighborhoods and stuff. So
very
hope
nice
to learn some good information there.
Here in Warsaw at the Raffles Hotel is the ULI event. It'll be very nice. We'll be covering it tomorrow. Also, last night was the 5th annual Top Women in Real Estate Gala. Very successful as always. I guess 200 plus people, all the movers and shakers from the Poland real estate market, or a lot of them anyway. All turned out, big event, very nice. Christina and her team did a great job putting that together once again, and we were happy to be the Europa Property be the international media partner for that event. A lot going on this week. CFE event tomorrow, and also Wolf Tice as well. So a lot going on this week, and I think they're even opening a pre-opening of this food hall very close by, PZO or something like that. Very nice. We'll get more on it as it comes up, but I saw it was opening up. So having said that, let's take a little break, and then we'll jump right back with Winston Norman and editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com and the highlights from our website today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. And Winston, any interesting news today for us?
Yeah, lots of news and lots of big numbers. We'll start with Savills, and they've got a new report about supply chains, and some of the complications and issues moving forward are actually going to be great drivers for investors in the warehouse sector. And in 2021, around 237 billion euros was invested into the logistics sector.
Wow, big.
Which was an 81 billion euro increase.
Okay.
And there's also been record take-up for logistics assets around the world. And European online sales will be 25% of total spending in 2025, compared to 15% in 2020. So
big jump.
Big jump. And Savills go on to say that e-commerce in the UK is around 5 years behind the US. Continental Europe is about 5 years behind the UK. And so there is extremely strong growth headed our way.
Well, all right.
And Amazon has just recently opened in Poland. So,
right.
It's
they just launched that website, didn't they, last year?
Just launched it, but last year. So the area for growth is immense, and so this is going to be. But as we know, there are many supply chain issues around the globe at the moment due to COVID and this current geopolitical crisis in Ukraine. So, and according to Savills, they go on to say that securing the supply chains, companies shifted from just-in-time philosophy to a just-in-case strategy, and this means not only increasing their inventories but also nearshoring of their manufacturing. Yes, there's a lot of reports that manufacturing is one of the biggest take-up sectors in the sector today.
Yeah, they want to have their manufacturing close. Yeah,
that's right. Yeah, and Savills just closes that with this lagging development pipeline, most markets globally look to remain undersupplied for the foreseeable future, which again will support rental growth.
Oh, great. Okay,
so we'll see countries like Poland increasing, not being such a, let's say, cheap place.
Right. Still costing a bit more, but they've got to open up here. Great.
Yeah, that's right. And moving to Hungary, and OTP Bank has inaugurated a new office building in Budapest.
Oh.
And it's an 84,000 square metre complex. And it's built by Market and called M12, and it's 7 stories high, and it's been awarded a gold rating of LEED. So it's,
very nice.
like all new buildings today, it's very environmentally friendly, and it's got state-of-the-art management systems and various energy-saving devices. And the bank expects to move more than 3,000 employees into this new building by mid-July. Coming back to Poland, and another renovated building in the retail sector is in Zamość, so one of these small satellite cities, which is, needs new retail.
Yeah, I've been to Zamość. Very nice place.
Yeah, this is a E. Leclerc store, and it's kind of retail park that's got some new tenants that's moved into the renovations. So you've got Marówka, the DIY store, which has taken 5,200 square meters, quite a big one. And Sinsay have moved into this. The fashion retailer Sinsay have taken 800 square meters in this building as well.
Something I'll have to go visit when I'm down in Zamość next time.
Coming to Warsaw, and Apsis has started a residential construction in the capital.
Oh, okay.
This is called a Solea, and it's in cooperation with SK Management. And it's a boutique investment consisting of 2 4-story buildings with 91 apartments. And the investment has already been BREEAM interim certified at a very good level, which was obtained at the design stage. And the general contractor is FinTech Construction, and they've placed a lot of emphasis on the environment for this building, and they're using economical raw materials. They're trying to reduce pollution as much as possible. It's going to be low emission, environment friendly materials, which include anti-smog pavement stones, which we're hearing a lot of these days.
Yeah, they are important. Well, that sounds very, very interesting. Good, they've announced that. I mean, they were doing retail for so long, and now switching over to residential.
And a lot of their retail portfolio was BREEAM certified, so now they've taken BREEAM into the residential sector as well.
Excellent.
And this building should come online in the first quarter of 2024. And finally for today, the Morska agency in Gdynia, which is a specialist providing sea, land and rail freight services, has leased 28,800 square metres of warehouse space in Panettone Park, Tri-City East 5. The tenant was advised in negotiations by Newmark Polska. And according to the agency, they say the COVID-19 pandemic and the war in Ukraine has disrupted supply chains across the board. The previous business strategy based on holding minimum inventory is ineffective in the current environment. And the park's strength lies in its proximity to the A1 motorway and the Tri-Cities Ring Road and the deep water container terminal in Gdansk. So yeah, it's a very...
Becoming a hub, a more important hub,
a big logistic warehouse hub up there.
Good. Well, they'd be a good one to have for our Baltics Awards next year as well.
They would.
All right. So nothing else for that's it for today, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Great. Well, thank you all for watching this Wednesday morning, the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you on Thursday. And enjoy yourselves and stay safe. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.